Hi guys, in this video we have discussed about crystal physics, crystal growth structures of Czochralski method. I am Dr. Nandhabalaji. We will discuss about this Czochralski method in this session. This is a melt growth technique method. This is one of the major melt growth technique. It is widely used for growing large size single crystals for a wide range of commercial and technical applications. One of the main advantages of Czochralski method is relatively high growth rate. This is the schematic diagram of this Czochralski technique. In this technique we have a pulling tab one and coils, surface tension materials and Lorentz forces on this liquidization place. Lorentz force applied and resistance heating is available. Rotating equipment is available in this technique. The material to be grown is first melted by induction or resistance heating under a controlled atmosphere in a non-reacting crucible. The melt is kept for a certain time at a temperature above the melting point, and the temperature is then reduced to a value slightly above the freezing point. The freezing point is judged by cooling the melt until crystal starts to appear on the surface. After a further lowering of the temperature, a seed is inserted into the melt. By pulling and rotating the seed simultaneously, a crystallization center forms. The diameter of the pulled crystal is controlled by manipulating the temperature of the melt and the pulling rate. Suitable engineering of both axial and radial temperature gradients is needed to grow single growth crystal. Important factors of this method: the pulling rate of crystals, temperature gradient of crystal, temperature of the melt technique. Advantages of this method: large diameter of crystal as 10 cm or more can be obtained with a more crystal growth rate. Crystal with desired orientation can be grown if a seed crystal at that particular orientation is used. For the crystal growth, adjustment in temperature and growing rate can be made if needed. Dopant distribution is quite uniform. Disadvantages: more defect and stresses are introduced when the crystals are grown as larger diameter. These are the disadvantages. Thank you guys. We will discuss other class.